Tuwing kailan daw yung baraswain?
Okay, 5 kilometers down, teacher. Ang pace natin ng huli is ground life. Ayun si teacher. Nag-split lang ako kasi medyo kailangan pagpagin. Sub 30! Shoutout si Boss Merhel. Shoutout kay sir, followers.
Shoutout, followers.
Yo. Okay, barefoot running day 514 with teacher. With car. Naka-car kami ngayon at may bibiling kami mamaya. Karmachug. Let's go. Okay.
Distance
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Duration 7 minutes 13 seconds.
7:13.
Pace 7
Two,
minutes
1.
13 seconds per kilometer. 91 kilocalories burned.
Alright. Pagod si teacher. Umisap eh. Okay, 2 kilometers. Teacher. Shoutout do kay sir. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 178 kilocalories burn. Alright. Ayan shoutout kay sir. Sir! Woo! Paalam mo sir!
Wala sir, wala sir.
Ayun! Napakamama ko. Ilan na ba yan? Ako, napakabilis. Shoutout kay George. Shoutout kay sir, followers.
Shoutout, followers.
Yo. Okay, 3 kilometers, teacher. With sir, ano pangalan mo, sir? Sir Angelo. Pace natin eh 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 262. Shoutout ka na, sir. Magandang hapon. Yun, tapos na si Kong. Ilan? Sub 30! Shoutout si Boss Merhel.
Shoutout,
Don Ramon. Grabe yun. Alright. Shoutout natin ay sobrang bilis.
Distance
Sir,
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers.
Duration 27
Saan tayo mag-LSD?
28
Oh,
seconds. Pace
layo naman.
6 minutes 35
Okay, 4.
seconds per kilometer.
Split ako, teacher.
345
Mag-i-split ako, pero siyempre babantayan natin yung traditional na split, teacher. Baka hindi mag-traditional. Alright. Ground life. Ayun si teacher. Nag-split lang ako kasi medyo kailangan pagpagin. Go! Ayan, ilan na? 91. Uy, nakasalubong natin si Sir Jeffrey. Sir Jeffrey! Ilan po ba yan? 10 lang. Ilang isang araw? 21? Grabe, sobrang pag-practice. BM ka, sir, ano? Alright, good luck sa inyo, sir. Hindi. Okay, 5 kilometers down, teacher. Ang pace natin ng huli is 4 minutes and 42 ba o 24? Hindi ko alam eh. Teacher, ano alam mo? Oras? Training tayo ng konting bilis. Bumabagal eh. Sumakit tayo binti yung teacher. Nasobrahan ka sa sa Bemba.
Tuwing kailan daw yung baraswain?